Happy Tuesday. Oh, it's been a doozy of a morning already, and it's not even 7:30 yet, so it's gonna be a good day. Looks like it's gonna be a rainy day, so probably not going to get outside very much. Last night the kids played outside a lot, which was good. It helps them go to bed easier. But this morning, everybody was up early. Jack was up like 5:30. Lucy was up 5:30. Emma was up at like 6:15. So yeah, some of them have had a little bit of breakfast. Some of them have really bad attitudes this morning. I think mainly it's hard when they get up early. When all of them get up early, they get on each other's nerves early. So I expect a lot of school today because it is raining out, but I don't know. We'll see how it goes. I might start putting on a video. I don't know, but let's get the day started. So it actually turned out to not be raining, so the kids are outside playing, which is nice. And they're not yelling at each other, which is also nice. I think it probably will rain. It's pretty chilly out here and it's very gray and cloudy, but for right now, no rain, not hot, and the kids can just do their thing. What you doing, Lucy? Bye-bye. What do you have? Oh, you're trying to use chalk? I take back the yelling at each other bit. So, oh, there's my coffee dinging. We are having rest time now. It's about 12:30. The kids ate lunch and Lucy was ready for a nap, so she went down for a nap, and now I am going to drink my coffee, and I think I'm going to start working on Emma's portfolio. I think I said that yesterday too. I have been working on it. I need to start typing out lists and sort of overviews of what we've done for each subject area. I have never put together a portfolio before. I think I mentioned that yesterday too, but I have a good idea of what I want to convey. I just need to sit down and get it all on paper. The work that Emma has to show progress is fine, but I also want to have course descriptions and obviously all the resources that we've used, books that she's read, audiobooks that we've listened to, audiobooks that she's listened to, read-alouds that I've done, all the different resources, videos, websites, all of that stuff. I'd like to have it all listed out. I know that the teacher doesn't actually go in and look at all of that stuff, but it is a good record. And of course, if they have questions about what we have done and what we've used, they have the option to look at that information. I need to print out pictures. I just realized I have not printed out all of the pictures that I want to use for this year for the from Instagram. I tend to use Instagram to document homeschool things because I like the filters and I seem to put the best picture that I've taken of something on Instagram, so it's just easier to do that rather than go through the hundreds and hundreds, potentially thousands of pictures that I just dump into a file on my computer. As an aside, how do you organize your digital pictures? Do you go through daily, weekly, monthly? I have not gone through my pictures in years. I print out what I want, which is very few, unfortunately, and then I just leave everything. Yeah. Anyways, so I need to start typing out a reading list or a book list and make sure that I have all of the books recorded. I think I have most of them in my Erin Condren teacher planner. The past few books that we have read aloud I have not recorded yet, and I just have a little stack on my table. So hopefully I won't have missed any of them. We shall see. I think between what I've written in my Erin Condren teacher planner, the stack of books, plus I have a list on Goodreads of kids' books that I have read. Hopefully between all of that I will get all of the books that we have done on paper. Hopefully. Okay, dinner tonight is homemade mac and cheese. Super easy to make. You just boil noodles first. You make a roux, which I use like half a stick of butter and a quarter of a cup of flour. You let the butter melt and you mix the flour in, let it cook for a couple of minutes, add like 2 to 3 cups of milk, add, hi Lucy, let that thicken up, add some garlic powder, a little bit of mustard, either mustard powder or I usually have spicy brown mustard in the fridge, so I use that, salt and pepper. Once it's thickened, add like 10 to 12 ounces of extra sharp cheddar cheese. Just chop it up into chunks and mix it together. Make sure that you whisk the milk while it's thickening so it doesn't turn into glop. And then you just put it over the noodles, put it in the oven for 20 minutes to brown up the top, or you don't even really have to do that because it's all cooked, but I like the browned top, so that's what I do. And then it's done. Easy meal, not the healthiest, but it is delicious and my kids love it.
Have anyone checked out my videos yet? Look what Mom did. And she subscribe. Mama, could you put my memory card in?
What are you gonna do?
I said I'm done
You want to do a vlog?
Yeah.
Okay.
I really, really do.
Why?
Because I want to be famous.
You want to be
Jack.
famous? Like Jack?
He's already puppies.
You're stuck in the bucket.
And I only got 2 subscribers. 2 subscribers. Yeah, one was Mom. And who was the other one? I don't know. I have no idea.
Nana.
Nana! Oh yeah, right!
What are you guys doing? What are you doing?